Hello, today we're going to be talking about The Woman Warrior by Maxine Hong Kingston. We're just going to talk a little bit about the literary analysis behind it. So the tone of the book is open and honest. This later ties into the theme, which we're going to talk about a little later. But Kingston writes pretty intimately about her experiences growing up as a second-generation immigrant. She doesn't leave anything out as she is writing, and she keeps it, like I said, honest. The setting is set in San Francisco and a little Chinese village, so Kingston shares stories from her childhood as well as her mother's talk stories from China. So the main story takes place in San Francisco, and her mother's stories take place in China. So some symbolism. In the title we read the word ghosts, and in her memoir she mentioned ghosts quite a bit. Kingston writes about several people or ghosts who haunted her and helped her grow as a person. So we learn in the book that these ghosts aren't necessarily bad people, but they're the people that helped her learn and grow and become who she is today. So some imagery is words on one's back. So Kingston tells of her parents using knives to literally put the names of ancestors on their backs to carry. So that's a little image for you. It's very detailed in how she explains why they do that. So like I said, the theme is being honest and true to yourself. Kingston's memoirs cover what she values most, which is honesty and being true to yourself. Several times and in several interviews she mentions that honesty is the most important thing to her. And she just wants to be open and honest about her experiences, and that's why she shared them with the world. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed these.